data sheet and calculate the cost of the following item of work from the lead statement of materials and labor charges given below. Different materials are given and their cost at source, lead, conveyance charges given in this table, and data for plain cement concrete 136 using 40 mm HPG metal is given here, and labor charges per day given. Mixing charges for cement mortar is 90 rupees per cubic meter. From this data, to get the total cost of plain cement concrete 136, write quantity, material, rate per amount, and write down the given data here. 0.92 cubic meter 40 mm HPG metal, 0.46 cubic meter sand, 0.153 cubic meter cement, 0.06 numbers mason first class, 0.14 numbers mason second class, 1.8 numbers man mazdoor, 1.4 numbers women mazdoor, enter all this data in one table and add additional columns for equivalent lead, total conveyance charges, cost of the material at source. The first material is 40 mm HBG metal. Cost of this material at source is 1333 rupees per cubic meter, and it is taken from 5 km to the site, and its conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer. Calculate the equivalent lead. So these are the actual distances from source to site. Here MR is metal road, CT is carter track, ST is the sandy track. So it is taken in a metal road, and this equivalent lead is as it is 5 kilometers, and conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa into 5 kilometer, 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer into 5 kilometers, which is equal to 462 rupees. And total cost of the material at site is source cost plus conveyance charge, which is equal to 1333 rupees plus 462 rupees. Total cost at the site is 1795 rupees. To get 40 mm HPG metal from source to site, it is required 1795 rupees. Second one is 20 mm HPG metal, and its cost at source is 1395 rupees, and it is also taken in a metal road, and its conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer. So equivalent lead is 5 kilometers, which is equal to actual lead, and total conveyance charge is 92.40 into 5 is also 462 rupees. Cost of material at site is equal to cost of material at source plus total conveyance charges, 1395 rupees plus 462 rupees is equal to 1857 rupees. Third one is sand. Its cost at source is 605 rupees. It is taken in metal road and also in a sandy track road. So for a sandy track, increase the lead by 40%. Equivalent lead is actual lead into 1.4. 1.4 is the factor. 3 into 1.4 plus metal road distance is 8 kilometers. So 8 plus 3 into 1.4, which is equal to 12.2 kilometers. Its total conveyance charge is calculated from these two columns data. So here conveyance charge is given for different kilometers. There are different rates. So up to 5 kilometers, the conveyance charge is 96 rupees. For every kilometer beyond 5 kilometers and up to 30 kilometers is 14.40 paisa. Therefore, this is equivalent lead is 12.2 kilometers. For up to 5 kilometers, the rate is 96 rupees. So beyond 5 kilometers, 12.2 kilometers minus 5 kilometers into 14.40. Therefore, total conveyance charge is 583.68 paisa. Cost of material at site is equal to 605 plus 583.68. Total cost is equal to 1188.68 paisa. We can round it to 1189 rupees. Cost of the cement at site is 4,300 rupees per metric ton. So there is no equivalent lead and the total conveyance charges. So it is 4,300 rupees per metric ton. So 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs. 1 cubic meter volume of cement weighs 1440 kgs. So 1 kg is equal to 1 by 1440 cubic meter volume. So substitute this here, 4,300 rupees divided by 1000 into 1 kg is equal to 1 divided by 1440, which is equal to 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. From the lead statement, write down the rates of these materials in the rate column. 40 mm HBG metal rate is 1,795 rupees per cubic meter. Sand rate is 1,189 rupees per cubic meter. Cement is 6,192 rupees per 1 cubic meter. Mason first class is 630 rupees per 1 day. Mason second class wage is 565 rupees per 1 day. And man mazdoor, woman mazdoor rate is 525 rupees per 1 day. Get the amount of all these materials by multiplying this first column with the third column divided by fourth column. 0.92 into 1795 rupees per cubic meter, per 1 cubic meter. is equal to 1651 rupees 40 paisa. Sand amount is 0.46 into 1189 divided by 1 cubic. 546 rupees 94 paisa. Cement amount is 0.15 into 6192 divided by 1 cubic meter. 947 rupees 38 paisa. For mason first class, 0.06 into 630 is equal to 37 rupees 80 paisa. 0.14 into 565, 79 rupees 10 paisa. 1.8 into 525, 945 rupees. 1.4 into 525, 735 rupees. From all these values, we get 4,942 rupees 62 paisa. To get the round figure value, add sundries. 7 rupees 38 paisa. Therefore, total cost of plain cement concrete (136) is equal to 4,950 rupees per 1 cubic meter.